RR, pass up. Game ball, first ball by St. Benil, basket. Awesome, baby. San Beda. 7 and 7. No good. Number 3, dribbling the ball. Set. It's 2 points again. Score 9-0. 9-point lead. San Beda. No good.
Kaya sir, titignan ko yung mga pangalan eh.
Hinanap ko yung mga pangalan. Number 5. Marking. Number 28. There's a basket. That's a foul. Number 6. Number 6. First personal foul. First team foul. Benil.
11 na yan, 12. 11.
Basket again. 3 points play by San Beda. Score 12-0. Burger King. To Velarde. Back to Velarde. Velarde for the 3. No good. Rebound by number 1. Number 1 lays up. It's not good. Back to number 4. Number 15 again. Pass up. Pass up. Pick. Pass up for the 3. Pass up 3 points. That's the first 3 points of St. Benil. Score 12-3. Time left 7 minutes 50 seconds. So layup no good. Dribble by number 27. Pass break and intercepted by number 5 para sa Bayabella. Velarde, number 15. Lays up. It's not good.
Kulang sila! Steady mo lang. Ayan.
But number 1. Number 1 on the shot. No. Aurelia. 2. No good. Rebound by number 1. Palabak. Palabak lays up. There's a foul. Foul, number 27. Number 27, first personal foul, second personal foul. Benil. Time left, 7 minutes, 7 seconds. 7:07. Score 12-3 in favor of San Beda. First charity shot by number 1 Balog is basket.
1-2.
Second free throw shot by Balabag. Basket again, 2 to make 2 by Balabag. Score 14-3. Number 4. Ay. 13 Avelia, number 27. Reverse shot, it's a black. Same ball. $14 seconds to shoot. For the 3, no good. For the lays up, it's air ball. Rebound by number 5. Number 5 lays up. No good again. Intercepted by number 26. Pump ball. Number 28, number 28, zigzagging. Drop to number 17, no good. Pass break. Takes again, pass number 19, number 8, basket. It's 14-5. Number 3. Number 27. On the 3-point area. It's not good. Pass break. Number 15 is the layup.
14-7 ba?
14-7. De Los Reyes. Number 28, jump shot. Nothing but net. Fakes for the 3, it's a block. Number 28, Delos Reyes to number 5, hesitant. Back flip for the shot, no good. To number 19, Abelia. Number 15, oh, basket by number 15. Score, 16-9.
Yan lang yun.
Time left 5 minutes. Exactly. The 3, no good. It's 2 points. Committed by number 17. Score 18-9. Velarde for the 3. Oh. Backcourt. Under ball. Time left 4 minutes 30 seconds. Pass break. De Los Reyes. Wow, what a super layup by De Los Reyes. The door on the middle of the court. Easy 2 points by the door. Score 20-11. Number 5 of San Beda setting the play. On the 3-point area, Pinks. Oh, the loop shot, no good. Follows up, no good again. Rebound by number 27. Ours by number 3, De Los Reyes. Number 27, dribbling, strong dribbling by the door. Loses the ball. And pass. Number 28, got the rebound. De Los Reyes, super layup, no good. Follows up by number 1, it's no good. 2. Number 19, on the drop pass, Abelia. The door, no good. Up. Same ball. Timeout. St. Benil. Score.
Hindi mo lang, ganyan lang.
Back to the ball game. Time left 3 minutes 22 seconds. Inbound the ball. Number 15. Reading. 10 to shoot. Door to the 3. No good. Number 17. To number 38. Oh, it's a Marco move. Struggling violation.
Oh, it's on time.
Number 19 lays up, no good. Rebound by number 1. Pass break. Ooh, what a nice pass. Oh, but there's a whistle.
Kulang na kulang.
Foul. Number 19 of St. Benil.
Lana yun, lana. Isa pala.
Number 19, first personal foul, St. Benil. Third team foul. Number 1. First free throw is not good. Second free throw shot is not good again. Still they got the rebound. Oh, there's a whistle. Foul, number 1. Number 1, first personal foul. San Beda first team foul. Velarde. Oh, fakes, number 15. To his teammate, fakes. Oh, the downtown area, number 27. Number 17, got the rebound. Oh, got on the air, no good. Vergas. On the 3, the door. Basket by the door. Oh, yeah. Number 3, De Los Reyes, quick dribbling. Jump pass his teammate, no good. Other ball. Time left 1 minute 23 seconds. 1:23. Score 20-13. 7 points lead. San Beda. Number 4, Velarde. To RR.
Pasay.
Good to Pasay to the 3, no good. Oh, close to outbounds. Jump, it's 2 points. By San Beda, score 22-13. Pasa. 45 seconds left. 15, no good. Still they got the rebound. 14 to shoot. Number 19, no good. Drop to number 3, 30 seconds. Yes, no good. No good again. So we got the rebound. Foul.
Penalty pa ba?
Foul number 28. San Beda on second team foul. 17 seconds.
Oo, siguro.
10 seconds. Time out. San Beda. Time left 5 seconds. End of the first period. Score 22-13. 9 points lead, San Beda.
Joseph, may isko
Play tayo.
Hindi na.
Technical shot lang. Pasak.
Let's start second quarter. Lado. To Mavi. Mavi penetrate, no good. Look out to 3 points. Number 4, Velarde.
Practice.
Practice nga. Ang ano dito yun?
Number 2 for the 3, no good. Run by number 23. Honest by number 3. Close to intercept. Oop. 10 to shoot. Number 4, Velarde for the 3. No good. Still got the rebound. Same ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 23. 23, turn around, yes! By number 23. Score, Almabi. 22-18. Fake! Got up. There's a foul.
People sharing na sir.
Foul, number 6. Of St. Benilde.
O, ilan na St. Pinay? Yun.
Number 6.
Ilan na St. Pinay? Ang number 6.
No good.
Isa pa lang.
Second personal foul, number 6. First team foul, St. Benilde. Oh. Oh! Still no good. Goal by number 27, the door. Alas by number 21. Pass to number 4, Velarde. Velarde drop to his teammate. Fake to Velarde again to the downtown. No good. Oh! There's a foul. Foul, number 11.
Number 11.
Boss, 8 seconds na yun, ang tagal!
Ilan na?
First personal foul by number 11. First team foul, San Beda. 14 to shoot. Same ball.
Mananakit talaga yan eh.
12 seconds to shoot.
Eh, pakitignan lang yung mananam.
12 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Oh, no good. Got the rebound.
Hayaan mo na yung... I-estimate ko lang.
Number 2. Picks number 17 turnaround. No good. Got the rebound. Basket again. Score 24-18. Dador, number 27. Oh, showing his dribbling skill. It's the same ball according to our referee. White ball. 14 seconds to shoot. The door on the inbound area, number 23. Maggie. 3 points. Score 24-21. Only 3 points lead. Here's the result. Number 23.
Wala na, 23.
Number 23, first personal foul. Second team foul, St. Benilde. First free throw by number 17 is basket. Number 17. It's baskets again. 26-21. Oh, for the reball, number 6. Pass dribbling, drop pass, kick up. Oh, other ball. Time left 6 minutes. 30 seconds, 6:30. Score 26-21. 5 points lead, San Beda. On the 3-point area, number 2, 3 points. 29-21. Velarde, number 4, Velarde. Velarde dribbling. Velarde still go on. No. Close, number 11, Velasquez. Number 11 lays up. Yes. By number 11.
Wala na.
There's the result. Other ball. Score 31-21. Number 11. Number 21 on the 3-point area again. No good. Rebound by number 1. Top. Still got the rebound. 14 seconds to shoot. Still no good. 14 on the shot clock. Number 21 on the jump area. No good. Intercepted. The ball is on number 27. Hello, number 27. There is a whistle. Foul. Number 2. Number 2. Number 2.
Wala na. First.
San Beda on second. Team foul. It's another 2 points from number 23. Score 23-31. On the shot. Intercept. Nope, no good. What a pass. Number 21. Jump. It's a block. They got the 14 seconds to shoot. No good. Number 2. Shot clock on the 14 seconds. Basket. From San Beda. Score 33-23. Still in favor to San Beda. Dador, number 27. Dador, looking at his teammate. There's a whistle. Foul. Number 17. Paquito.
Pakito, ilan na? Third.
First personal foul, Paquito. 10 to shoot. No good. It's audible.
Wala time out. Time out na kayo.
Benil got the ball. Intercept by number 17, pass break to number 11. And number 1, no good. Rebound by number 23.
Sabi yung buwan, kung saan yung bibig mo, doon din yung camera.
Number 5, number 15, fakes. Fakes again, it's a black, but there's a whistle.
Pasag number 15.
Foul number 17. From San Beda. San Beda, warning for penalty.
Ilan na 17?
Number 17, second personal foul. San Beda, warning for penalty. Number 15, first charity shot by number 15, it's basket.
Score. Time.
Score 33-24, second free throw by Pasag. The time is 3 minutes, 7 seconds. Pasag, second? No? Got the rebound. Number 21, Ingaran. It's, wow, napakagandang pasahan. San Beda, 35-24. Number 23, setting the play on the backcourt area. Got the fast break. Number 15. Number 15, Pasag. To Aralor. Oh, there's a whistle.
Tama kaya?
Number 2.
Tama kaya?
Ref is on penalty. San Beda is on penalty. Number 2, second personal foul. San Beda is on penalty. Score 35-24. 06. No good. Number 06. Second shot. It's basket. Score 35-25. It's a basket. Score 37-25. But now number 27, the note lays up 2 points. Score 37-27. Time 14 seconds to shoot. 10 to shoot. It's basket. 30 seconds. 43-27. Number 23, intercept. Number 2, Gamay. It's basket by Palabang. 15 seconds. 45-27. There's a foul. Foul by number 21. Penalty.
21 nila na. Sabihin mo muna penalty doon.
Kanina pa penalty.
Ilan na siya?
Isa, 21. First foul. Kanina po penalty. Pang-walong foul na ng San Beda. Magi. No good.
12 seconds, kanta mo.
12 seconds remaining. Magi basket.
Mabi.
Mabi.
Klak, nonton.
10 seconds. Number 2. 5 seconds. So good. Wala na pong oras. Score 45-20.
Tabla, wala kayo class ha?
45-20 ang score. Oh. Number 9. Number 5. Number 5. Marquine.
Santos.
De Los Santos for 3.
Luis Reyes.
De Los Reyes. No good.
Harap tayo, bola.
Ito, wala na yung listahan nito.
Kumpo.
Kumpo.
Balik niya na.
Hindi ko matatandaan yan. Other ball. Markin, number 5. Markin to number 2. It's no good. RR on the rebound.
Yolo.
Priolo lays up, no good. Rebound. Oh, intercept by RR. Still no good.
Chantenko.
Enchantinko, number 11.
Tingin ko na, huwag kang tingin doon.
Oh. Basket. Kaligunan.
Hindi na yung camera.
Maji. Whistle. Number 3.
First personal foul.
First personal foul. First team foul. Sunbella. Score 47, 2-8. Number 23, Maji. No good.
Bumusyat ka.
Tenko. 14 to shoot. Number 3. De Los Reyes. No good. Two. Number 21. No good. And number 5. 11. For the lace up turnaround and fake. Intercept. My number 06. RR. No good.
Tapord.
And number 11, easy layup. Timeout. Vinyl. Score 49-28. 49-28. On the perimeter basket. 49-30, Verpiolo. 11, Calcico. Back, Calcico. 6 up. It's a basket. Plus a foul.
Easy basket yun.
By number 06.
Basic lang yun.
06, third personal foul. Second team foul. Sunbella. Ay. Pinil.
Wala nang team foul ng binili.
No basket? Oh, it's a basket again. Time left 6 minutes 40 seconds. Tumawi. Drop. Lays up. Yes. Score 32-53. Arilla. Number 2 for the 3 points. No good. Rebounded. Number 23 lays up. No, got the rebound. Again, basket. 34-53. On the drop. Oh, basket. Exchange of basket. Kaligunan. 55-34. Maggie for the 3. Maggie, 3 points. Score 55-37. Shantenko. To De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes zigzag. There's a foul.
19, Arelia.
Number 19, Arelia. Second personal foul by Arelia. Second team foul, Binil. Bonus shot by De Los Reyes. I know, not bonus shot. It's first shot, basket by De Los Reyes. Score 56-37. Second shot by De Los Reyes is good again. 57-37. Kumpo, team foul. Paulo, yes. Kaya Paulo. Riolo.
Pwede man dyan. Pwede na wala flash.
39-57.
Ano pwede na wala flash? Huwag ka nang dito. Dito. Okay.
28, no good.
Harang.
Fast break play, Abelio. To Priolo. Oh, no good. Ayun. De Los Reyes zigzagging turnaround. There's a foul.
23.
Number 23, substitution rep.
Second personal.
Number 23, second personal foul. Biniled. Third team foul. Time left 4 minutes 19 seconds. 4, 19. Stop. Intercept. Riolo. Drop. No good. Oh, muntik na magaw. Kumpo. 10 to shoot. Basket. Score 57-41. Santenko. It's a traveling violation committed by number 5. St. Benilde ball. Time left 3 minutes 40 seconds. 3:40. Number 27, Bruno. Basket. Oh, it's a basket 43-57.
Oh, may ball quarter pa ho. Oy, 14 na lang.
Santenko. Vacant on the 3-point shot. No good.
Kulang-kulang.
21, Kumpo, no good. Rebound intercept by Kumpo. Pass to Magi. Oh, tumawa sa ba? Other ball. Time out. Sun
14 to shoot, 14.
14 to shoot. Today, 10 to shoot. Well, no good. It's basket again. 45-57. De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes. Bakante sa 3 points. Uy. Yung by number 5. Number 5. Oh, there's a whistle.
Arilia.
Foul. Number 19, Arilia. Third personal foul by Arilia. St. Benilde warning for penalty. First shot is basket. 58-45. Boom. Okay. 5 again. Oh, no good. By number 19. 2 minutes, 19 seconds. 2:19. On the parking lot, no good. Rebounded by number 40 seconds on the shot clock. Is the block. 10 to shoot. 10. Oh yeah, reset. To 14. No good. Okay. 24 on the shot clock. 11.
Dami mo.
Jump pass, De Los Reyes. Yes, by De Los Reyes.
Wala pa tao, doon.
Lock. Oh.
Score.
Time left 1 minute 34 seconds. For 3 points. Score 60-48. Time left 1 minute 20 seconds. For the 3 on number 5. Number 5. 3 points. Score 63-48. Time left 1 minute 5 seconds. Dador. Bumawi sa 3. Wala. Got the rebound. Basket. Number 5. Foul. First personal foul on number 5. San Beda, third team foul. Bonus shot by number 27. Substitution. Ay, nabigay na po. Nabigay na. Crane. On bonus shot. It's basket. 51-63. Substitution. Hindi pala.
48 seconds.
48 seconds. Ito lang. Yeah. Basket! Kay San Beda, 65.
Tabad. Sa shooter.
Number 23. Is up. No good. Still they got the rebound. 14 on the shot clock. No good. 15 seconds. De Los Reyes. No good. 10 seconds. No good again. Still got the rebound. No good. 5 seconds.
3.
End of the third quarter. Score 65-51. 14 points lead. San Bela. Lipat. And start the game for the 3. Number 21, 3 points. Buena mano, basket kagad. Score 65-54. That makes 11 points lead. Oh, it's a block. Okay. Magawa. Dire-diretso, number 23. Oh, another 2 points. It's 56-65.
Isa lang. Coach lang tayo. May bench tayo.
9 points lead
Upo tayo, upo.
from San Bela. Number 17. Oh. Number 2. Intercepted. Same ball. 14 seconds to shoot.
Bakit?
Hindi nagbibilong eh. Pwedeng ano lang. Time out muna kami. Time out.
Time out. San Bela.
Bilangan mo. Bilan mo ng tubig yung player mo.
Upo nga tayo, sir. Upo. Isa lang.
Time left. 9 minutes.
May pencil
4
na tayo.
seconds. 9. 4.
Isa lang tayo, upo. Isa lang.
Number 2 loses the ball. 14 to shoot. Number 2. Intercepted.
Sigaw ka lang sa 10.
23 lays up. No good. San Bela ball.
Si Bobby wala pang pahinga yun eh.
Number 11, drop pass, it's easy basket.
Ayun na!
8 minutes. Kumpo. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. For the 3, no good. Other ball.
Walang tao doon. Ba't nabigyan?
Oh. Ayan. 7 minutes. For the fast break.
Kamera mo.
17.
Tingin ka mo.
14 on the shoot. Number 17 still. Time.
Huwag ka maramig doon.
Oh, what's the play? Okay.
Ilan pa time out natin?
Oh, time.
Time in. 12, 7, 10 basket.
Isa pa!
It's 71-56.
Ito, challenge.
There's foul. Tito. Number 17. Third personal foul. First team foul.
Time out. Hindi pa.
First shot. No good. Second shot. It's the basket. Time out.
Time out, substitution.
Time out to. Time out. Ang bilis. 71-56. Lamang po ang San Bela.
Rep.
Shot clock.
Balanse kayo, balanse.
Bilan mo naman tubig yung player.
Number 11. Ooh, what a pass.
Dalawa kayo.
Still got the rebound. No.
Wala traveling ka doon.
Okay, number 23, Maui. Maui, on the 3, Maui. 3 points. Score 60-71. 11 points lead. Sunbella.
Okay.
14 on the shot. Number 11 for 3. No good. They got the rebound.
Baba na, baba.
It's easy basket. 62-71. On number 2. On number 17. Number 17, Bacon on the 3-point shot. No good. Rebounded by number 1. Oh, there's the whistle. Foul.
Warning.
RR. Number 6. Number 06.
Warning.
Warning for disqualification. Sunbella at St. Benilde. First team foul. Number 21, first shot, no good. Again, 06, warning for disqualification. Number 21, second shot, it's good. Score 72-62. On the 3, no good. Rebound by number 11. Tuchandenko. Fourteen shoot on the 3. Number 2, 3 points. Time left 5 minutes, 17 seconds. Gandor. Gandor. Uy, saan kapunta daw? Saan kapunta? Oh. Oh, muna. Number 20. Magalang. Inggaram. 21. Second personal foul, second team foul. Sunbella. 12 on the shot clock. Number 27. No. Napatakbuhin natin. Time left 4 minutes 50 seconds. Number 2. 11, Santenko. 10 to shoot. 17, no good. We got the rebound. 43, no good. We got the rebound again. Last break. Number 1. Vacante sa 3, so 10 to shoot. Number 2, no good.
Reset.
10 to shoot. Number 1. 8 seconds, shot clock. Number 1. Other ball.
Fourth quarter niya. Dalawa lang sa fourth quarter niya.
Number 21. On the 3. 4-3 points. 65-75. Time left 3 minutes 20 seconds. Number 11 intercept. And pass break to number 23. Number 23 lays up. It's other ball. 16 on the shot clock.
Hindi.
16 seconds on the shot. Number 4, no good. Velarde, no good. Rebound by number 17.
Sige, kulang sila pa.
3 minutes, 4 seconds. Number 2. Number 17, no good. Got his rebound again? Yes. By number 17. Score 7-7. 65. Time left, 2 minutes, 40 seconds. Intercept by number 11. Number 11 is so good. Even by the door, number 27. Lays up, it's 2 points from number 6, RR. Score 67-77. Number 2. Outside. Same ball. Timeout. St. Benil.
Layers, ready?
40 to shoot. Number 1. Lays up, no good. Still got the rebound. Intercept.
Babanar! Ar!
2. 40 to shoot. Last 2 minutes.
Uy, malayo pa yan, uy!
It's no good. Ay, basket pala. Basket, sorry. 79-67. Velarde. Velarde to his teammate. Number 21, zigzagging, showing the dribbling skill. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 4, Velarde for 3. It's no good. Still got the rebound. Velarde drop pass. Number 6. Other ball. Shot clock 6 seconds.
Tumama ba?
Oh, tumama. 14. 22, 43, no! 1. Number 11, pass break, it's basket. 81-67.
Wala! Ito, dyan isa!
Number 19, 43, number 19, 3 points, 70, 81. 1 minute, 10 seconds.
Pwede to shoot.
10 to shoot. 17. Drop. No good.
Hop, 24 yan, 24. Sayang shoot ni Richard.
10 to shoot.
24 yun, sir, still. Sir, galing tayo still, 24 yun.
No, it's a basket.
Score.
83-70. Basket, 83-72.
Oh, kamera mo. Score.
Other ball.
Time out daw.
Ano, dito tayo, pre.
14 seconds.
Uy, sino naging ka lang?
3 points. 7 seconds. End of the ball game. Official score 83-75. Winner.